Yes, hello dear students. I'm going to explain you history, when, where and how. Class 6 chapter Historical sources. When, where and how we can find out our present through past. Yesterday you could listen to the radio, watch television, read a newspaper. Last year ask somebody who remembers, but what about long? So what can we know about the past? So these are some questions which are every time exist in our mind. So this is known as past. We are curious about to know the past, so we can find out about the lives of hunters, herders, farmers, rulers, merchants, priests, craft persons, artists, musicians, and scientists. These are inscriptions. I will explain. So, next question is, where did people live? In the past, लोग कहाँ पे रहते थे? कहाँ पे रहना प्रेफर करते थे? People have lived along the banks of the river for several 100,000 years ago. Some of the earliest people who lived here were skilled gatherers. वो बहुत अच्छे food gatherers होते थे, इसलिए रहते थे. But why they want to live on the banks of the river? Because of their needs. They fulfill their needs through water. Water is very valuable and useful for every people, every person. That is, people who gathered their food. They were known as food gatherer. They knew about the vast wealth of plants in the surrounding forest. उनको बहुत ज़्यादा पता था कि कहाँ पे कौन सा plant उनको मिल सकता है. And they collected roots, fruits and other forest produce for their food. These are archaeologist pick. The places where rice was first grown are to the north of the Vindhyas. These are some places where first archaeologists find out the rice pieces or particles about 4700 years ago. Some of the earliest cities flourished on the banks of the rivers, and in the ancient times the area along these rivers to the south of Ganga was known as Magda. जो भी गंगा के साउथ में जो प्लेसेस वहाँ पे लाइन करते थे वो थे मगध. और इट्स रूलर्स वर वेरी पावरफुल. उसके रूलर्स बहुत पावरफुल थे. किंगडम्स वर सेट अप प्रॉपरली एंड द पीपल ट्रेवल्ड वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस थ्रू river routes or sea routes. The hills and high mountains, including Himalayas, deserts, rivers, and seas, made journeys dangerous at times, but were never impossible. That was possible through the passes in the mountains. So men and women moved in search of livelihood and to escape from natural disasters like flood, drought, etc. These are archaeologists who find out objects, particles of the past history. They dug up the earth. These movements of people and richer culture tradition. जब people move करते थे तो कल्चर ट्रेडिशन भी शेयर होता था. तो the Iranians and Greeks who came through the northwest about 25 years ago, जो इरानियंस आए थे उनका कल्चर हमारे साथ शेयर हुआ. जो इधर से जो दूसरी प्लेसेस पे गए उनके साथ हमारे इंडस कल्चर शेयर हुआ. हमारी कंट्री का नेम भारत, इंडिया एंड इंडोज, हिंदोज, काफ़ी इसके नेम रखे गए अकॉर्डिंग टू द डिफरेंट पीपल. Later it was used for the country. There are several ways of finding out about the past. One is to search for and read books that were written long ago. बहुत सारी books भी लिखी गई और books उनको पढ़ा गया by the historians that were known as manuscripts. They were written on at that time there was no papers and printing press, so that were written on palm leaf, specially prepared bark of a tree known as birch, which grows in the Himalaya. This is also archaeologists who take a pic of, I think, a skeleton of a person. These books dealt with all kinds of subject, religious beliefs and practices, the lives of kings, मेडिसिन, साइंस, हमें बहुत सारे मतलब नॉलेज देती हैं ये वाली बुक्स. एपिक्स, पोएम्स, प्लेज, many of these were written in Sanskrit, Prakrit and Tamil. There were different types of languages used by the writers. We can also study inscriptions. Inscriptions were carving on stones, on metals, and which were carved and written, that were known as inscriptions. But that writing which is written by some colors or paintings were known as manuscript and written on palm leaf. So there were many other things that were made and used in the past. Those who study these objects, और जो इन objects की study करते थे, that were known as archaeologists. They study the remains of buildings made of stone and brick, paintings and sculpture. So they explore and excavate meaning dig up the earth's surface to find the tools, weapons, pots, pans, ornaments, coins, and also bones, stones, baked clay, etc. like these. ये ब्रश से इसको क्लीन करके उसको ये ब्रश से बिल्कुल सॉफ्टली उसको क्लीन करते थे, सो दैट अब भी करते हैं, सो दैट दे दैट कैन नॉट बी डैमेज्ड एंड दे फाइंड आउट सम यूजफुल मटेरियल फ्रॉम द डिगिंग. Archaeologists also looks for bones of animals, birds and fish, so that they can know कि at that time कौन से birds, animals, fish उस time exist करते थे. Plant remains भी हम से भी पता चलता है, grain से पता चलता है, जो उनके remains और particles मिले हैं कि at that time people were used which type of crops. One source are found. Learning about the past becomes an adventure as we reconstruct it bit by bit. धीरे धीरे करके जो चीज़ें मिली हैं पास्ट टाइम की उसको कलेक्ट करके रिकंस्ट्रक्ट किया गया एंड एक हिस्ट्री रेडी की गई. हिस्ट्रियंस और आर्कोलॉजिस्ट बोथ आर डिटेक्टिव्स ऑफ हिस्ट्री हु यूज ऑल दीज सोर्सेज लाइक क्लूज टू फाइंड आउट अबाउट आवर पास्ट. So, for example, the life of herders and farmers were different from those of kings and queens. Herder और farmer की life different थी kings and queens से. As also as it is true even today, people follow different practices and customs. At that time also people follow different cultures and religions. These are archaeologists who find out a skeleton by dug up the earth and they are उसकी वो इंफॉर्मेशन ले रहे हैं, उसकी जांच कर रहे हैं कि क्या उसको साफ नीट एंड क्लीन करके बाहर निकाला जा रहा है, so that they came to know कि whose skeleton is this, and they also gather in an important information of. Besides, there is another kind of difference. We know a great deal about kings and the battles they fought because they kept records of their victories. Generally, ordinary people such as hunters, fishing folk, gatherers, farmers, herders did not keep record of what they did. Simple type और poor people, normal type के लोग अपना कोई रिकॉर्ड नहीं रखते थे, लेकिन जो किंग थे वो अपना रिकॉर्ड रखते थे अपनी विक्ट्रीज का. by writing manuscript, by writing inscription on walls, by writing inscription on stones and some objects type and they kept their written material in archives. बहुत संभाल के रखे जाते थे so that a coming generation can know about that king's victories. If somebody asks you the date, you will probably mention the day, month and year 2000 and something. आपको अगर कोई डेट या कोई डे मंथ पूछे तो उस टाइम की डे तो याद नहीं होगी, लेकिन you can say हाँ near about 2000 years ago. These years are counted from the date generally assigned to the birth of Jesus Christ. सारी डेट्स जीसस क्राइस्ट के बर्थ के बिफोर से लेके उसके अकॉर्डिंग काउंट की जाती हैं. सो 2000 मीन्स 2000 years after the birth of Christ. All dates before the birth of Christ are counted backwards and usually have the letters BC, before Christ. जो बर्थ ऑफ क्राइस्ट से पहले वाली डेट्स हैं उसको BC उसमें लिखा जाता है. जो जीसस क्राइस्ट के बर्थ के बाद वाली डेट्स हैं तो आफ्टर द ABC after the birth of Christ, yani ki ABC 2000 years ABC. In this book we will refer to dates going back from the present using 2000 as a starting point. Thank you and have a nice day.